Hi, this is RK from Strand Life Sciences. Let's talk about Strand NGS Server and clinical genomics labs. So you're the PI of a clinical genomics lab. Say hi to Satish, our PI. What does a clinical genomics lab do? It detects genetic diseases like retinoblastoma, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, and several others. And in order to do this, what does Satish need? First of all, he needs a great team. Meet our team members, Sanjay, Aparna, and Pratibha. Sanjay is in bioinformatics and asks the question, how do I set up this NGS pipeline? Aparna in interpretation is more interested in variants, and Pratibha wants to make everything easier with code. They want different things, but they need to work together. Is there something that will enable them to do that? Yes, there is. It's called Strand NGS Server, and it's for Sanjay, Aparna, Pratibha, and for you. Strand NGS Server enables clients to collaborate with each other on the same experiment. A modular design means you can add as much storage and computing as you need. A server stores data in a central location for easy backups, and a web-based manager enables role-based access from anywhere. So Satish needs Strand NGS Server. What else does he need? He needs pipelines, a whole bunch of them. On the left-hand side, you see the Strand germline cancer panel with 86 genes meant to detect a whole host of genetic diseases. And there are several panels like this that Strand offers. Each panel requires its own NGS pipeline with its own set of parameters. And Satish has to set this up from scratch. There are no shortcuts here. But there is something that can make it way easier, and that's pipelines in Strand NGS Server. Pipelines in Strand NGS Server expose every parameter to make everything way easier for the user. And you can add and remove stages as you wish. Finally, pipelines in Strand NGS Server are fast, accurate, thrifty with storage, and rich in visualization. Speed. DNA-seq in Strand NGS Server is twice as fast as GATK best practices. Accuracy. Strand NGS Server results in high precision and recall on a host of whole exome and whole genome samples with low coverage so that you can be certain of your clinical samples with a much higher coverage. Storage. Strand NGS Server has small storage footprints so that you can only store a fraction of what you would with open source pipelines. And finally, verification and visualization. Strand NGS Server enables deep, intuitive visualizations and structured results. On the right-hand side, you see the variant support view at a particular location with all the bases that cover it. On the left-hand side, you see the hierarchical tree view with all the stages that went into the making of a particular result. So that's pipelines in Strand NGS Server. They're fast, accurate, thrifty with storage, and rich in visualization. Here are some numbers. We offer several panels at Strand. Each panel has a number of sub-panels associated with it, and every panel has a heavily customized pipeline in Strand NGS Server. Since 2014, Strand NGS Server archives 15,000 samples in our in-house version from 1,000 MySeq and NextSeq runs. Each sample is available simultaneously to members of different teams, like the interpretation team, the bioinformatics team, and the software team. So what does Satish need? He needs Strand NGS Server. Strand NGS Server has a collaborative server client model with remote storage, data backups, and web-based data management. It enables the easy setup of several concurrent pipelines. Each pipeline can have its own set of parameters and stages. Every pipeline is fast, accurate, visual, and thrifty with storage. And finally, Strand NGS Server has powerful interrogation tools for bioinformatics visualization and validation. Need help setting up server compute infrastructure for an NGS platform? We can help. Call our sales team. They are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and they're always happy to help you. That was Strand NGS Server. Thank you for listening.